Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy updo on medium length hair. To start, I've sectioned out some hair to frame the face on both sides, and then I'm just going to apply some texture powder all over the crown of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now gather that crown section to the back of the head and secure into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Add some wax spray to the top to help flyaways, and then gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture and volume. I'll pop everything I'm using in the description below. Then we're going to take a slice of hair from the left hand side and the same size section on the right hand side and clip these out of the way for later. Divide the remaining hair in half, and starting on the left I'm going to pop it into a ponytail, and on the last turn I'm going to only pull that ponytail halfway through to create a little loop. And we're going to repeat on the right hand side, but I'm just going to take a little bit of hair out from the nape of the neck, and then we're going to create our ponytail, and then on the last turn only pull it part way through to create another loop. Then we're going to take our fingers and pop them through the centre of the loop on the right hand side. Grab the entire loop on the left hand side and pull it all the way through. Hold to the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply some more texture spray over your bun, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull little sections of that bun for some more texture. I'm going to curl all the remaining hair on both sides and that little section in the middle. And then with that little section that we left out in the middle, I'm just going to pop a bobby pin on the top and slip it into the bottom of the bun. Divide the left hand side in half, and I'm going to twist this towards the head and bring it to the right hand side of the bun and secure with a pin. Then take half the hair on the right hand side and repeat the same process, but this time we're going to pin it to the left hand side. Then pinch and pull those little twists for more volume. Then we're going to take the last section on the left hand side, twist it towards the head and pin it at the top of the bun. Then just slip a bobby pin onto the tail ends, twist it towards the bun and just slip it into the bun. Then pinch and pull for more volume. Then repeat on the right hand side, so twist the hair towards the bun, secure in place, and then secure those tail ends, not forgetting to pinch and pull. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.